So essay for me was not an easy subject to handle at first. And I believe it's not easy for most people to start with. Of course, it's quite demanding because we have to write so many words and we have to choose one topic. And the idea is to choose the topic correctly to understand it. The way I did it was I first chose as many topics as I could possibly, and I segmented them in economics, into politics. Um, I did not have a section for creative writing. Perhaps I should have, because the 2023 paper clearly shows that you need to have that idea of being able to write on a topic, even if it's not as clear as it is. So, and then I used to read, whether if I was reading Dawn or an article, and I thought that that point fit into that segment, I would write it down. And the second thing I did, so apart from the data collection I had for essay, the other thing I did was to write as many essays as possible. And I wrote many essays. I forget now how many I did, but it actually helped me get confident over time and to also have certain headers in mind. The outline is very important, of course, but what we write within the essay, including the introduction and conclusion, are equally important. The third thing I also focused on was my structure. The structure of essay is important. If it's a haphazard structure, the examiner reading it will not appreciate your essay, even if you've written very good things. And the fourth thing, sir, I do believe that I wrote in two colors. So I wrote all my facts and my quotes in black, and then I wrote the rest of the essay in blue. So the presentation of essay can also be made proper like that, because of course we can't include charts or anything else, and there are no headers as well. So these are the 4 or 5 things I focused on essay, just to make sure that I was passing the essay. Of course, our DMC is not here, so I don't know what I've scored, but Alhamdulillah, I've cleared it. So